Well, good day, everyone. Welcome to my show. You are listening to Partners in Health and Biz. I'm your host, natural health consultant Gail Dixon McBride, and I'm so very happy you decided to tune in today. So, today I'd just like to share with you my experience that I had today by attending the Bethel A.M.E. Church's Walk-A-Thon Health Fair. Yes, I was one of the vendors there today. And when I say vendors, I mean that I was there to present and show folks and tell folks about our health and wellness walk of healing ministry and to see, meet people, greet people, and just let them know what we do and to invite some folks to come out and be guests on my podcast on Spotify and also on my YouTube channel. Okay, so there at the event, there were all types of people represented who were representing their organizations. Some of the organizations that were represented include included the Arthritis Foundation. I actually met a young man named Joshua, and Joshua 18 years old, was representing the Arthritis Foundation. Wonderful young man who was a very intelligent, straight A student, straight out of high school, straight into college in his first year at Morgan State University. And I was so proud of the young man as he shared information about what the Arthritis Foundation is and what it does. So, first of all, he told me, and I'll share with you some more of the information, that the Arthritis Foundation is the champion and one of the leading organizations in the fight against arthritis. Did you know arthritis not only affects adults? I know a lot of you may be surprised by that, but there are children, kids, and adults who have arthritis. And what does the Arthritis Foundation do? Well, it helps conquer everyday battles through life changing information and resources. It helps to give you access to optimal core advancements in science and community connections. So that was one of the organizations. And also the University of Maryland Medical System was represented. And they have a program called Healthier Together. Healthier Together is a community powered diabetes prevention program. And what that helps you to do, they give you information about monitoring your blood sugar, which is extremely important because 80% of people who have prediabetes don't know it. And prediabetes is a serious health condition where the blood sugar levels are higher than normal. So if you have prediabetes, they tell you that that's basically, it'll say you're a borderline diabetic, which means that you have to be very careful because you're just about ready to tip over and go into full diabetes if you don't start doing what you're supposed to do, eating healthier foods, exercising, uh, lifestyle changes. Make sure you're not smoking or drinking anything excessively or eliminating coffee, not too much caffeine. Some of these are some of the things that you can do to help eliminate or prevent diabetes. So, these are some of the questions you want to ask yourself if you think you may be or have been diagnosed with prediabetes. Are you overweight? That's one of the factors that contribute to diabetes. Are you over the age of 45? Do you have relatives or do you know someone who has type 2 diabetes that you are related to? Are you physically active or are you a couch potato? Well, together we can change the outcome by helping you to do the following things. Number one, lose up to 5% of your body weight. That's right. Unless you're already skinny and a rail or a skeletor, as they say, many people need to lose at least 5% of their body weight. Increase your physical activity to at least 150 minutes per week or 8,000 steps per day. 8,000 steps per day. And check your blood glucose levels, your blood glucose levels. Lower blood glucose levels. So, those are just a few of the things that I wanted to share with you today. I believe I have something else I want to share with you. Let's see what we have. Some of the other things and organizations that I talked to today. I also want to share with you the Alzheimer's organization. There was an Alzheimer's organization there, and there was a autism organization there, and it was called Spark for autism. So you may have a child, and you're not sure if your child is autistic, has autism. This organization called Spark, they believe that diversity drives new perspectives and inspires future generations. And you can learn more about Spark. They are the largest organization that studies autism. And just a few uh, bits of information about autism. Autism is a developmental condition that affects how people learn, behave, communicate, and interact with others. Autistic people can have repetitive behaviors and challenges with social communication. About 1 in 36 children in the United States has been diagnosed with autism. Autism can occur in all racial, ethnic, age, and socioeconomic groups. Autism can be diagnosed as early as 2 years old, but most children do not receive a diagnosis until they're closer to the age of 4. Boys, interesting enough, boys are almost 4 times more likely to be diagnosed with autism than girls. So it's very important, this research that this organization called Spark is doing. The research is done to discover new information, answer questions, and understand how things work. What the researchers are doing, they collect data, analyze the results, and share what they have learned. So, just wanted to share with you my experience today, which was a wonderful time meeting so many wonderful people. Again, this health, it was basically a combination between a health fair, a walk-a-thon. What happened at first, we did some breathing and stretching exercises. And then, after we did the breathing and stretching exercises, the walk-a-thon happened, and it was at Lake Montebello Park in Baltimore, Maryland. So then, after the walkers came back to the pavilion, they were able to talk to the various organizations, health organizations. There was also an organization there that was providing flu shots. And so there was so many things, activities, and organizations that were there sharing what they do to help the community to stay healthy or become healthy. So until next time, I want to say get out, get some fresh air and exercise. I'm your host, Gail Dixon McBride, natural health consultant. I'm so happy to share this information with you. I would love to talk to you if you would like to be a guest or sponsor of the Partners in Health and Biz podcast. You can follow me on, I'm on Spotify, and I have a YouTube channel, Partners in Health and Biz on YouTube too. So share, follow, like. I would just love to hear from you. And if you'd like to be a guest on my YouTube channel, I'd love to see you. And so would some of my listeners and people that watch Partners in Health and Biz on YouTube. Until next time, everyone, go out and enjoy this day. Stay healthy and business savvy, business savvy. And if you would like to get in contact with me, you can email me. My email address is partnersinhealthandbiz@gmail.com. That's partnersinhealthandbiz@gmail.com. And the website is partnersinhealth.biz, partnersinhealth.biz. If you would like to receive our monthly newsletter, then email me and let me know that you'd like to be on the mailing list for the Health and Wellness Partners in Health and Biz monthly newsletter. All right, I'm signing off. Have a blessed day, everyone. Ta ta for now. Love